Hi mates, let's go ahead and find the value of this radical expression without a calculator. But where should we start the solution? To solve this, I'm going to work on this inner part, which means, let me rewrite it. It is 81 over second root of 81 minus second root of 80. Step 1, I'm going to multiply both top and bottom by conjugate of denominator, which means second root of 81 minus second root of 80. Is this the conjugate of denominator? No, no, no. The minus changes to plus. Exactly same top. I write it here. 81 plus second root of 80. Next step, 81 multiply by second root of 81 plus second root of 80. Denominator, we have second root of 81 minus second root of 80 times conjugate of this, second root of 81 plus second root of 80. So let's see, what do we have? Denominator, this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. What is this? Look here, a minus b times a plus b. It can be written in the form of first term s squared minus second term s squared. So denominator is going to be first term second root of 81 s squared minus second term second root of 80 s squared. On top, what do we have? 81 times second root of 81. All you know, this is 9. So I write here 9 plus second root of 80. Next step. Let me erase this part. We have, let me start with denominator. Here we have second root of 81 raised to the power of 2. So these two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. I write here 81 minus, again, these two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So I write here 80. On top we have 81 times 9 plus second root of 80. Let's see, what do we have? 81 minus 80 is 1. So our inner part is going to be 81 times 9 plus second root of 80. But let me ask you a question. Is this the final answer? No, no, no. Do not forget, this is still our inner part. We need to find out the second root of this expression. So let me rewrite it here. Until here we have 81 times 9 plus second root of 80. But what is this? Now I'm going to follow a very simple exponential rule that says second root of a times b is second root of a times second root of b, right? So this one is going to be second root of this 81 times second root of 9 plus second root of 80. What is second root of 81? All you know, this is 9. So 9 times second root of 9 plus second root of 80. All you know, this is 9. So if we find out the value of second root of 9 plus second root of 80 and multiply this one by this 9, we can calculate the value of this expression. So in this step, we need to find out second root of 9 plus second root of 80. Let me erase this part. Sorry, guys. Okay, can you suggest me the next step? How can we calculate the value of second root of 9 plus second root of 80, which means this one? Let me rewrite it here. We are going to find out the value of 9 plus second root of 80. What is your strategy to solve this type of question? Here we have second root of 80. If we had second root of 81, so 81 is a perfect square, we could continue the solution easily, but this is second root of 80. So in this case, I'm going to rewrite 80 as the product of 16 and 5. So it is going to be 9 plus second root of 60 times 5, or second root of 16 times second root of 5. Second root of AB can be written in the form of second root of A times second root of B. Next step, all you know what is second root of 16. So I write here 9 plus 4 times second root of 5. Next step, what do we have? 4 can be written in the form of 2 times 2. Let me rewrite it. 9 plus 2 times 2 times second root of 5. Now look carefully. What is our next step? Here we need to be a little bit tricky. We have 5, we have 2. This is 9. 9 can be written in the form of 4 plus 5. So I'm going to rewrite 9 as the sum of 4 and 5. Let me rewrite it. 4 plus 5 plus 2 times second root of 5. What is this? Can you notice the same point? Can we see? This is 4, this is 2, this is 5, this is second root of 5. Twice of the product of the first term and second term. What is this? Look, a squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. What is this? A plus b squared. But can we rewrite this one in this form? Yes. Come here, I will show you. This 4 can be written in the form of 2 to the power of 2. Here we have twice of these 2 and second root of 5. But this 5 is not a perfect square, right? But we can rewrite it in the form of second root of 5 squared. Now, what do we have here? It is exactly same as first term, 2, second term, second root of 5 squared. So this is our inner part. These 2 as exponent, these 2 as root can be cancelled off. So I write here 2 plus second root of 5. What is this? This is exactly this part. So it is enough. We multiply this 9 by this part to find out the value of this. So our final answer is going to be 9 times 2 plus second root of 5. What is this? The most simplified answer of our question.